Hello guys, let's discuss about collection data types. First, we need to know about the collection data types. In Python, there are several built-in collection data types that you can use to store manipulate collections of data. Some of the commonly used collection data types in Python, these are list, tuples, sets, and dictionary and arrays. Lists are ordered, mutable, that means changeable, and can contain elements of different data types. They are created using square brackets. See here, square brackets. And elements are separated by columns. Elements are separated by columns. This is the format of list that you can change or modify the list. Tuples. Tuples are order immutable. It cannot be changeable. Once we created, it will not be changed or modified, and can contain elements of different data types. They are created using parentheses. This is bracket, and elements are separated by commas. See here. Sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. They do not allow duplicate values. It does not contain duplicate values. Sets are created using curly braces or the set functions. We can create using curly braces or set function. It's a built-in function. We can create by using sets, and this is the format we can create. And by using set function, how we can create sets. And next is dictionary. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key value pairs. Each element in a dictionary accessed by its key instead of its index. Dictionaries are created using curly braces. Same, but it consists key value pairs separated by colons. Okay. Example: dictionary, uh, dictionary name, name Jones, separated by colons, age 25, city New York. This is the format of dictionary. Arrays are used to store homogeneous data types, means which have same data type. They are similar lists but can only contain elements of the same data type. See, this is the integer data type, only same data type it contains. Arrays need to be imported from the array model. This is the array model. We need to import the model and array I 1 2 3 4. Here I represents the data type of the integers. Thank you.